What's up, sneakerheads? It's your go-to sneaker historian, FUNKYLACE. We're diving deep into the vast world of sneakers, one legendary shoe at a time. But first, if you enjoy our content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to stay updated. Alright, let's dive into today's gem. Today we're taking a trip back to 1997 and looking at the Adidas Crazy 97 EQT. Now this isn't your regular hoop shoe. This one has some serious history. First off, let's chat about the mind behind the design. You can thank the brilliant mind of Robbie Fuller, who was a lead designer at Adidas during that time. Fuller is known for his innovative designs, and the Crazy 97 EQT was no exception. One of the most interesting things about this sneaker is that it was originally a player-exclusive model for the one and only Kobe Bryant. During his rookie season with the LA Lakers, Kobe was seen sporting these kicks. It's also the very shoe he wore when he won the slam dunk contest in 1997. But the Crazy 97 EQT isn't just famous for its connection to Kobe. It was also among the pioneers of Adidas's Feet You Wear technology. This technology, embedded in the shoe's design, aimed to make the shoe mimic the natural movement of the foot, leading to more comfort, better stability, and improved performance. Now let's talk special editions and collaborations. To honor Kobe Bryant after his passing, Adidas launched the Forever edition of the Crazy 97 EQT. The sneaker featured accents in Lakers purple and gold, with Forever inscribed on the insoles, and boy did those kicks fly off the shelves. And here's another cool fact for you. The Crazy 97 EQT shoes were primarily produced in Adidas's factories in China. Quality craftsmanship, combined with Adidas's strict production standards, really set this sneaker apart. So there you have it, folks. A quick, fun deep dive into the Adidas Crazy 97 EQT. This sneaker isn't just an item of footwear, it's a piece of basketball history. A legendary shoe for a legendary player. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our sneak peek into the Adidas Crazy 97 EQT. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future drops from us here at FUNKYLACE. Keep lacing up and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.